Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and thank you all so very much for coming back for another real life motivational cleaning video. If you're new to my channel, I hope you like this video enough to give it a thumbs up and to hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. So today I am hoping to spread some motivation to get your stove and oven clean. As you all can see, it is absolutely disgusting inside of here and on top. Over the summer, my kids really did a number on my stove. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So I went ahead and picked up some new drip bowls, and I'm going to go ahead and toss those old ones. I picked up this 3-pack of mini brushes from Walmart, and I'm going to go ahead and use the brass brush. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove all of my decorations off of my stove, and then I'm going to remove each burner and also each drip bowl, and I'm going to just go ahead, like I said, and toss those drip bowls.
5, 6, 7, 8, ready for that heartbreak. I missed ya, giving that kiss now.
So the products and the utensils I'm going to be using on my stove and inside of my oven include the Method Degreaser, the soft scrub with the Oxy, a razor, and also that brass brush.
This could be. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy.
So right here I'm just using my razor to scrape off all of the gunk that has built up under the drip bowls.
I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that heartbreak. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that heartbreak. Heartbreak, heartbreak, heartbreak. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I'm going.
Now that I have everything scrubbed off, I'm just going to go ahead and take a rag and wipe off the stove.
I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. You and I till the end. Don't need to pretend again and again. We'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye. We'll stick together.
I'm not sure if I just couldn't see that mark on the right, that little stain right there on the right, or if it just wouldn't come up. I cannot remember.
I can pick you up when you're heading down. When it all just sucks, I'll be your Charlie Brown. You can make me laugh when I wanna cry. In a world of men, we're on an all-time high. You and I till the end. Don't need to pretend again and again. We'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye. We'll stick together. And it wouldn't be the same without you. We have got so many stupid things together. You're the only thing I'm holding on to. Anywhere and anything, we'll stick together.
It is raining outside and we're still in bed. We don't wanna wake up yet, no. 'Cause I just wanna stay here right next to you, baby, yeah. 'Cause we both deserve this time. All work, no play, it's like we're running away. And we can't stay in our beds all day.
I'm using the same products and utensils on the wall to get all of those grease stains from off of it. And also I'm going to go back when I have someone to pull the stove out for me and do under the hood. I feel like I will be able to do under the hood better once the stove is out of the way, because I don't want anything dripping from under the hood onto the stove.
Sleeping and skip work today. Then I'll make you scrambled eggs. We got no plans for the day. Let's stay inside and play video games. No. 'Cause we both deserve this time. All work, no play. It's like we're running away.
Here are the end results, and I want to thank you all for watching. If you found this video motivating or enjoyed watching me clean, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up and maybe share it with a friend or two that may need some cleaning motivation. If you want to see more videos like this, then hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell, because I do post a cleaning video at least once a week. But I'll talk to you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.